Welcome everybody to another edition of the Contributor Technical Discussions. We have a bit of a light agenda this time, but let's first hear from Leon, the Gnome Digest. Take it away, Leon.
Yes, thank you very much. Let me just take over the screen. Okay, perfect. Just let me know if everybody sees the screen and we can get rolling. All good? Okay, awesome. So welcome back, everyone. So we're at volume 12 of the Gnome Digest, and thank you to everyone, for perseverance, effort in the past couple of weeks. We're nearing beta mainnet launch with the milestone at 99%. So we are very, very close. And with that, test 9 has just dropped. I'm not sure if everybody's aware, but test 9 has been launched yesterday, and it's meant to stress test major changes we introduced recently. This essentially includes the STD split, private realms, and a lot of Gno VM fixes. So please try to test that out and let us know if you do find any issues. We're looking to fix them all and get rolling with beta very, very soon. And as I mentioned just now, private realms are actually live. So private doesn't mean hidden in this case. It actually means that the realm itself is re-uploadable. So the functions, types, objects, whatever is found in the realm is actually private. That's what private references. But in this case, they are essentially mutable realms, which the idea with them is essentially to allow specific realms to be mutable in order to support use cases like, for example, the home realm and other evolving apps. So the idea is that you can upload something once, then you can re-upload it, obviously with overwriting the previous version and putting up the new version. Also, that's going to cost gas, obviously. And then in the end, if you do choose that you're done with the changes, you can actually remove the private flag and actually have the realm be importable and usable by other realms. Thank you to the Samurai crew for doing this. This was a pretty big effort, and we're really glad that we now have this feature. Thanks to Alexi, we have received a GNOWeb front-end system refactor. So this isn't particularly visible on the outside, but the system that actually generates everything that's happening in GNOWeb has been completely refactored, and now it's much, much cleaner. It has a unified controller pattern, dynamic loader, much cleaner bundle naming, etc. So anybody who's into front-end stuff, this is going to be a delight to look at. Next, we have a package that allows you to render gauges. So essentially, if you want to render any kind of progress bar or anything notifying what's going to happen when something reaches 99%, you can use the SAM crew package called Gauge. So check it out at this link. Next, so coming along with that, we have a new entry in the RDocs Gno by example realm system. Essentially, by Davfla, Davfla has created a short but sweet example that shows you actually how to use the pie chart package as well as the gauge package. So here you can actually see live examples on how these packages work and how you can actually use them in your own realm renders. And finally, thanks to Mark and Amarcy and many others, the Gno VM has received critical improvements, making the environment much safer. So now we use a custom Go parser for gas counting and limits, and we do track how much gas was used for print line statements. So this essentially allows or actually blocks a lot of the possible DDoS vectors that we have experienced at one point. And that's a wrap. So thank you everybody for sticking with us and being active. And yeah, hope to see you guys soon in the next one.
Thank you for the walkthrough, Leon, and congrats everybody for contributing. Next up is the demo session. Berty wanted to hold a presentation on the improved security storage mechanism for Gno Key Mobile.
Hello, everyone. So it's a quick intro presentation just I want to move that. To present the new security mechanism for storing the Gno Key Keybase keys on mobile. So when you have application like Gno Key Mobile, you use Gno native kit under the hood to communicate, to interact with the Gno blockchain, or to manage your keys. Gno native kit uses the Gno Keybase and the lazy Keybase under the hood. So the Keybase was stored in the document directory for iOS, for example. So we changed that. Now the Keybase is not the lazy Keybase, and we implement the Gno database interface to create our class to communicate with the Keybase and to make the bridge between the Keybase and the iOS keychain for iOS, and the same thing for Android. So now every key inside the Gno Keybase is protected under the hood by the enclave, the secure enclave for iOS, and the strongbox for Android. So we wanted to add a better security for the storing of the keys. That's it for me. You have any questions? No? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Remy. This concludes the demo part of the call. We don't have any topics ahead of time for the discussions. So if anybody wants to bring anything up, the floor is yours. If not, we can wrap up early, and we will see you in 2 weeks. Right. All right, that means see you in 2 weeks by overwhelming majority. Have a good week.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
See you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, everybody.